Hi guys. Today my heart is full of gratitude. I was shooting at Unblemished Beauty School. They were opening the new school. Well, the school is not new; it's been there, but they just moved to bigger and better premises, which shows see, the work that they are doing is growing and it's demanding more space, which is remarkable. What an awesome, beautiful event. Guys, today I got to be reminded that when you see successful people, don't be a hater. When you see people doing well in what they are doing, don't be a hater. When you see people glowing and shining, wherever they are at a distance, don't be a hater. When you see beauty, acknowledge beauty and applaud beauty, compliment beauty. If you want to know how to glow like people are glowing, come closer and ask them how. Successful people owe us nothing. Successful people are where they are because they worked, they thrived, and you know, they they did the deeds that make success happen. And I also got to be reminded today. People are excited about soccer. I think there is a goal scored. I think I also got to be reminded because sometimes in life you've got to be selfish. Be selfish with your growth, with your success. The people that are dragging you down, that are pulling you down, that are taking you backwards, leave them. It's okay to leave them. It's good for your mental well being, for your spiritual growth, and for your inner peace. Right? If you decide what is selfish for you, what will keep you sane, it's okay. And once again, ngicela ukuphinda lokhu, abantu aba-successful, they don't owe us anything. You might see them on social media, you might see them anywhere. Stop looking for something eyodwa negative ozobambelela kuyona umdicelele phansi ufune ukushutha down ispirit sakhe. Mhlawumbe omunye ngaleso sikhathi is on a live, mhlawumbe omunye ngaleso sikhathi uposte something and nango wena kuma-comments awusa-comment, you are being negative, you are being bully, you are being a bully, wenza all those things and you're just lacking one thing. Ukuba kind, it comes back to you. Forgetting day one with kindness multiplies, comes back to you when you speak well to other people. When you lula isandla kwabanye abantu, you will be amazed of the things that might actually happen. I got to meet this amazing woman. Oh gosh, I love this woman. And my heart today is, I don't know, inhliziyo yami ishaya ngenye indlela. You know, when you meet somebody who transfers positive energy towards you, who transfers peace towards you, who affirms things that you've always, the decisions that you took a long time ago and that you constantly doubt because, family and other people that we love, that there are people that we love and family. Some of them are family. Some of them are just people we meet who do us bad. Who do us bad? What do we do? Forgive and move on. But distance yourself from those people. Bathande bekude. It's okay. Ukubathanda bekude. Guys, I met Princess Yanja today. Expect that episode. It's coming up in the next coming few episode in the spirit of motherhood, Mother's Day, everything that has got to do with mothers. I shot with Princess Yanja today, and I met with a mother at heart. Uminintuli, oh my gosh. Usisi wama 2K, angazi noma mama wami 2K, noma usisi wama 2K. But what a positive energy. And my gosh, Mario V, the director, the founder, the CEO of Unblemished Beauty. Ngaze ngafunda namhlanje, yazi mekuthiwa ufunda uze ufe, ngaze ngafunda namhlanje, inhliziyo yami yaze yavuseleleka namhlanje, ngaze ngakhuthazeka, not to mention the vibe, the birth of new things, the spirit that was there. It was just saying, guys, Yo, I mean, I don't know. Kodwa nje, distance yourself from people who are dragging you down, who are bringing negative energy kuwena. It's fine. Uyabathanda, bathande bekude, but so long as they are not pouring into your cup, because what do you pour from when it's empty? You know, you're pouring from nothing. And if you're pouring from nothing, what happens? You'll break and bend down. Watch out for those episodes. Thank you so much for loving me, for showing me the love, for supporting me, for supporting the podcast, for giving me the opportunity to show what I can do in this space. In this space. Ngizokuphinda lokhu ngijwayele ukusho. I know ukuthi ngizokusho kuze kufane neculo kwenu ukuthi uma ubuka i-podcast yami ungayifanisi namanye ama-podcast. Vula ingqondo uma uzobuka. If you are here and you want to grow, you want to learn, you want to be your life to be impacted positively, you will get that, all of that and more. Just understand it and know what it's here to do. Ayifani namanye. Ayabona ke lapha, I guarantee you. And it will take somebody, let me do not, yeah, othi ngingaqhubeki kungaze kube ngazukuthi yeah, angingaqhubeki ukuthi sisebenzisa ingqondo enjani. Fanele ube nengqondo enjani ukuze understand what is happening there. But all I want to say to you is it's okay to love people that you love at a distance. If they do no longer serve you, leave the table when you are not served. We've always had that so many times, but today ngithi kuwena, don't feel guilty ukushiya la ubona kahle khona ukuthi ngiyalimala. Abanye balimazwe imindeni, abanye balinyazwe ama-colleagues, abanye balinyazwe umjolo, abanye balinyazwe abazali ababazalayo abavundla kuyona 9 months njengoba sithi Mother's Day nje this weekend. Ulinyazwe umzali wakho, akakufuni ukubona uphumelela, noma uthi uyazama, will never say to you well done. It's okay to distance yourself from people who don't see any good and positive in you. In the spirit of Mother's Days, in the spirit of Mother's Day, all mothers of South Africa, happy Mother's Day to all of you. Ave nginithanda.